What's good, YouTube? So today I received my new PC case, the Lian Li O11D Dynamic Mini, as well as some other PC parts. There's one thing missing though, and that is the cooler, and that would be arriving in 2 days, I think. So I hope that in 2 days that I'm able to build my new PC. It's a rebuild because I'm gonna use my old PC parts, move it into the new PC case, because I got the 3070 Ti, no space for it in that case, or there's actually space for it, but I don't like the case. Let's just put it in that. And let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, I cannot wait to see the actual size of this case, because the box itself is pretty huge. And if the case was the same size as the box, it wouldn't be able to fit on my desk. Alright, so as soon as you open the box, you will get this. And what's in this, you may ask? We've got a thank you for purchase. Thank you for your purchase. Alright. Alright. Yeah. We got these parts for the case, as well as some screws, I believe. Let me see. Yo, I cannot wait to build this case, this PC. Yeah, we got some straps, we've got all the screws, etc, etc. Alright, nice. There you have it. The Lian Li O11D Mini. Woo! Yeah, cannot wait, cannot wait. So, other than that, let's see what kind of PC parts I've got in here. Yo, we've got a lot of stuff. So, before I'm able to switch PC case, detach them, and so on, I need iFixit to like switch my PC case. Oh, we got a package within a package. I believe this is the additional wire. Yeah, it's an 8-pin wire that goes from the power supply into the GPU, because the power supply I bought only comes with 8, 16, yeah, 16 for the GPU, and I needed an additional 8 to boot up my 3070 Ti. So I bought the additional wire. So yeah, here it is, the power supply from Corsair SF750. We got the Corsair fan for the back. We've got the triple Corsair fan for the top of the case, for the case. And I know we need one more. Oh, there it is. No, this is only one. And this is only one. Oh! This is not for the back. These two these are for the Corsair cooler that will arrive this Friday, sponsored by Cortex. Oh my god, no. I'm so stupid. this, which says 120, this is for the back, and I've got two of those with the 140. There we go. These two, they're for the coolers, for the Corsair CPU cooler, and this one is for the back. I think and this was the wire. And yeah, this is the last but not least anti-sag bracket for graphics cards. Cause yo, the 3070 Ti weighs a ton, and I just can't risk it, you know, dangling, hanging, and so on. I just want to be on the safe side, so this will help it stabilize and won't like eventually fall off. Whew. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe and push on the notification bell if you want to see the upcoming build of this PC with my 3070 Ti. Let me show you guys. Oh, there we go. All of this into the new PC case. I cannot wait. I'm quite nervous because it's the first time that I will be doing such thing, but right now I'm just I need the freaking Corsair cooler, man. Cortex, I'm waiting for it, man. So it's gonna be in like 2 days, so I hope you liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.